our home, our planet, and a place in which billions of intelligent life exist, is the only inhabitable planet in the whole solar system. Yes, I'm talking about our planet Earth. In this lecture, we will try to understand the existence of Earth, about its shape, the motion, the rotation, the revolutions, and some general anomalies that our planet has. We will also discuss the formation of moon. So let's begin with it. For 2000 years, ancient astronomers believed that Earth was static and had other celestial bodies like Sun and other planets circulate around it. But in 1543, Copernicus was the one who published his own sun-centric model that was called heliocentric theory of the solar system, which suggested that Sun is the center and all the other planets revolve around it. Our Earth is the only planet in the solar system which is not named after any mythological god or goddess. The word Earth comes from Old English word eartha, which means ground. If I ask you, what's the shape of our planet? Many of you might answer it's spherical. Some would refine the answer and say that it's a geoid. But I beg to differ. The size, the shape of our planet is not geoid, it's not spherical. It's basically an oblate spheroid or ellipsoid. Because it's like a sphere that is compressed at the poles and bulging at the equator. So the actual shape of our planet Earth would be an oblate spheroid or ellipsoid. Our Earth has five basic motions. If I ask you how many motion Earth has, you will say it revolves around the Sun and it revolves around its own axis. No, it has 5 different kind of motions. The first one is obviously around its own axis. Second is the revolution around the Sun, and third is its precesses or wobbles like a spinning top. If you have watched Beyblade or some other anime in your childhood, you must understand that it has a wobbling effect. If something is spinning, it also wobbles around its axis and precesses. Due to this wobbling, this precision motion, for every 25,800 years, the position of our pole stars, the position of our poles changes, so the position of the pole star or basically the pole star will change. At present, Polaris is our pole star, and after 25,800 years, Vega would be our new pole star. The fourth motion of Earth is that it follows the Sun in sun's travel through the Milky Way, because Sun is not stationary. Sun is also traveling, Sun is also revolving. As well as it moves with the Milky Way as the entire galaxy travels through the universe. As we know by the Big Bang theory that the universe is expanding. So the Milky Way, the universe, the galaxy in which we live, it is also moving. So the Earth is also moving along with it. So these are the 5 basic motions of Earth. Our Earth has the most circular orbit, about 0.0167 eccentricity is there. We are tilted at an angle of 23.4 degree, and that tilt is supported by and stabilized by moon itself. So let's know how the moon was formed at the first place. It is believed that the moon was formed when a large Mars-sized body impacted the Earth, causing enough material to be ejected, which eventually coalesced into the moon. As I told earlier also, the moon has had the effect of stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. So that started as soon as the moon has been formed. It started stabilizing the Earth's axial tilt right after it's been made. Also, moon is the main source of the Earth's ocean tides. Why Earth is bulging from the center, from the equator? The reason would be moon itself, the gravity of moon. Because with the moon, what happens basically, the portion of the sea that is facing the moon, it bulges out of the equator, and due to gravity in the exactly same side of the other side, exactly same place of the other side will also bulge. So this bulging, this continuous bulging for millions of years bulges the equator itself. So that goes for the shape of the Earth also. The moon is 3,474 kilometers in diameter, that is 27% that of Earth. The orbit of the moon is somewhat 3,62,000 to 4,05,000 kilometers. It has also been affected by the gravitational pull of the Earth, which has over time caused the moon's rotation to be slowed until it matches the time it takes to orbit the Earth. This is why the same side of the moon always faces the Earth, and we can only see somewhat 55 to 59% of the moon, not the complete moon, because it's also rotating with the Earth itself. Earth is protected by solar radiation by a strong magnetic field generated by movement of its core, which is mainly comprises of molten iron. So there are many factors, basically billions of factors, that led the inhabitation in the planet possible. But I hope in near future we will definitely find a planet which is exactly same like Earth, and life exists in it. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.